For a lot of folks, motorcycling is a highly individualistic endeavor. They're lone wolves and they want that escape. And that's cool. But inevitably, even if you are that person, you're going to find yourself in a situation where you want to go two up. And in those situations, the sheet metal on your rear fender just ain't going to get it done. And that's where these passenger seats for Indian's Thunderstroke 111 models come in. These are made of genuine leather. They're incredibly comfortable and incredibly durable. As is the case with all of Indian's leather products, they're designed to match the stock leather on your bike exactly. Stitching pattern, studded, unstudded, black, tan. It's very seamless and totally compatible. These seats are incredibly easy to install, and you're going to be glad you have one when that inevitable moment comes when you've got to go two up. Do yourself a favor and check out these passenger seats for Indian's Thunderstroke 111 models.